Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if a third monitor is not being detected on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is tap the Windows and the P key on your keyboard at the same time. So again, the Windows and the P key. And you want to go ahead and make sure that your monitor is set to extended. So I'd make sure you did that first. Again, if you had multiple monitors hooked up to your computer, you want to go ahead and make sure you did that. And let me go ahead and actually change that back here. And something else we can go ahead and try here as well would be if you open up the search menu, type in display. Underneath settings, there's an option to duplicate or extend to a connected display. Go ahead and select that. And if you scroll down here, select multiple displays, choose the presentation mode for your displays. And if you want to detect another display, click the detect button here. If there's any applicable drivers for the monitor as well, so if you go on the manufacturer's website or maybe it came with a CD or DVD, consider installing that onto your computer as well, and that should hopefully be able to get it to recognize your other monitor. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.